Pour time again, boy. Right there, everybody's getting ready. About 7:30 in the morning. A little later than that now, getting closer to 8. Good morning, everybody. Marvin and I, we are heading off to go get some some water for water less.
Most important, tubig.
Yeah, first thing in the morning, the guys have water. I hadn't even had my cup of coffee yet. We thought that we were going to cancel today, but all the guys showed up. The chances of rain lowered on the radar from 83% to like 40-something%. I could tell there wasn't real heavy clouds this morning. I mean, it's solid overcast, but it's not those super dense like storm clouds. So you're up there just doing your manager's job, checking everything. It's the way it is, huh? Well, everybody's just prepping. I just had them bring some water up, some too big, throw all on top of that plywood. It keeps it from sticking, makes a cleaner surface on bottom too when you pour this Freshcrete. What is this? You're giving chicken feet pedicures?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's a pedicure for chicken feet?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
You need balls of the pedicure?
I thought you just trimmed the nail. I don't know you take the whole toe off. Whew. Yeah, I'm not going to let you give me a pedicure at all. Oh, and you have your assistant over here, huh?
Yeah, we're doing both pedicure.
You know you're in the Philippines when?
Chicken feet.
Yeah, you know you're there when. All you pretty ladies here cooking. What you got going in that pot?
Huh?
Oh, you got that pork going in there.
It is a chicken feet and that one is a pig feet.
Pig feet?
Yeah.
Man, y'all are doing pedicures this morning, huh? Man. I still got my feet. I'm gonna get out of here. What's this, rice?
We need another feet though.
Yeah, that's why I'm moving. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here.
Yeah, it's rice. That one is rice. Do you know why we used to prepare this one, the feet? Because it is the last day pouring. You're gonna do like this later also after pouring. You're gonna kick and
They're gonna be kicking chickens, huh? Wow, you look kind of smoky here.
I know. Where's smoke is that?
Yeah.
Number one.
Remember, Miss Philippines lost.
No, actually it's not.
You're gonna argue that, boy. They will never accept it. They will never accept the ruling. Now it's like it was loaded up with people from South America. They all loaded up against her.
Exactly.
So here we have contestant number one, Miss Ligoness. And then who we have over here? Miss No Con. Wow. Woo. With a chicken foot.
No, Iloilo. Iloilo.
No, walk on.
Basta Ilongga. Guapa.
But folks, they are pouring away. I want to show you something very beautiful. If I can get up here where I'm always climbing. Here's what I want to show you. I want to show you these mountains across here this morning with the clouds there on them. Man, is that beautiful or what? Just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at this right here. You see these ladies? Now this is smart. Now some of you out there that are trying to get ideas for your build project and managing your crews and all, and you know, it's common to feed them and it's fun to feed them. So don't be greedy. You've got to make sure that your food goes far enough. You don't want them to self-serve themselves, because first ones in line is going to have bowls full of meat and the last ones are going to have juice. Right there, all set up so each one of them serving is equal and fair, and you don't have that bum rush on the line, you know. So you go, and Miss Mel, she's over here getting the rice all together, and rice is life in this culture. Rice is life, so be understanding and supportive of that. Don't be insulting about it or nothing. Rice is life. This is what fills them up and makes them feel satisfied and happy. You see here, we got another big tub of it up here too. Big pan. Getting it all prepared.